Hey guys, welcome to Login Tips. Today I'll be showing you how to clear your autofills on your Snapchat account. And now let's dive right in. Now to clear your autofills on your Snapchat account, first guys open up your Snapchat app on your phone. And after opening your Snapchat app guys, at the top left corner of your screen you can see your profile icon or your profile picture icon. Tap on that just beside the search icon. And after that guys, after landing on this page or your profile page of your Snapchat, at the top right corner of your screen you can see the settings or the gear icon available for us over there. Tap on the settings, and from over here guys you will be required to scroll down and find the privacy controls of your account. And you can see over here guys the privacy controls of your video. Now in order to clear your autofills on your Snapchat, tap on the clear data option available over here. And over here guys you can see there are a lot of options, but when you scroll down you can see there is the clear autofill option available for us. Tap on that, and you can see guys all of your autofill information on your Snapchat account will be cleared once the moment you tap on that clear button over here. Let's do this. And with that being done guys, all of your autofills on your Snapchat account will be clear. And then guys, this is how you clear your autofills on your Snapchat account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.